Welcome all. Today's top breaking news with Gitanjali from Bayan Times. Shadnagar Golapalli rail line doubled. In a major achievement for the South Central Railway (SCR) in enhancing rail connectivity between Hyderabad and cities such as Mehboob-Nagar, Bengaluru, and Tirupati towards south, the doubling of railway line between Shadnagar and Golapalli was completed. This part of the Secunderabad Mehboob-Nagar doubling and electrification project being executed by Rail Vikas Nigam Limited. The project was sanctioned for a distance of 85 km in 2015-16 at an estimated cost of rupees 774 crore. APEAM CET entrance exam commences across 118 centers in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. Andhra Pradesh Engineering, Agriculture and Medical Common Entrance Test APEAM CET 2020 commenced in the state on Thursday amid stringent COVID-19 protocols. While social distancing guidelines were followed inside the examination centers, the same were openly floated by candidates and their parents outside the premises. Despite every student being provided with a specific reporting time slot, the centers were crowded from as early as 6:30 am. All students were checked for their body temperatures and were given sanitizers before allowing them to enter into their respective examination halls. Andhra Pradesh COVID-19 tally crosses 6 lakh, recoveries over 5 lakh. Andhra Pradesh on Thursday achieved a double crossing the 6 lakh mark in the total coronavirus cases and 5 lakh mark in recoveries. As 8,702 fresh cases were added in 24 hours, the state's COVID-19 positive tally touched 6,01,462, with 10,712 patients getting cured in the 24-hour period. The total number of those recovered from the pandemic stood at 5,08,088, the latest bulletin said. Whooping the 67k crore spent on developing GHMC. A whooping rupees 67,035.16 crore worth capital works have been undertaken in the GHMC area from 2014-15 to till date, initiating the discussion on civic works and other infrastructure facilities in Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation and its surrounding areas. Municipal Administration and Urban Development MAUD Minister said, considering growing importance of Hyderabad and its crucial role in the state's economy, the government has initiated a number of schemes for upkeep of existing infrastructure and creating a new infrastructure. Around rupees 67,035.16 crore worth capital expenditure has been incurred on various projects in Hyderabad since the formation of the state. MOUs with Tech Mahindra Biocon Academy, Snedar. Tech Mahindra Biocon Academy and Snedar have entered into memorandums of understanding MOUs with the Andhra Pradesh State Skill Development Corporation APSSDC. The MOUs were exchanged between the officials of the APSSDC and representatives of companies in the presence of Industries, Commerce and Skill Development Minister Megapati Gautam Reddy through a video conference. Under the MOU with Tech Mahindra, a Center of Excellence Logistics will be set up in Visakhapatnam. A Center of Excellence Electric will be set up by Snedar in Nellore. Biocon Academy will be the knowledge partner for the proposed skill development colleges in the life sciences domain. Revant Reddy seeks a CBI probe into Srisailam plant mishap. Malkajgiri MP A. Revant Reddy raised the issue of the fire mishap at Srisailam power plant and requested an impartial inquiry by Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) into the incident. Reddy said a major fire broke out in an underground station of Srisailam hydroelectric power plant on August 20, where 9 employees lost their lives and huge damage was caused to the state property, only due to the negligence of the state government. Kerala gold smuggling case, Minister K.T. Jalil questioned by NIA for entire day. Kerala Higher Education Minister K.T. Jalil was questioned by India's premier anti-terror agency, National Investigation Agency (NIA) for the entire day on Thursday, even as opposition parties led by the Congress undertook statewide protests that led to violence and police lathi charge in many parts. The minister, who entered the NIA office in Kochi at 5:55 am, came out only at 4:57 pm, spending a marathon 11 hours inside the agency's building.
With this, we conclude with our today's news headlines. For more such latest news and updates, like, share, and subscribe Payan Times.